Find or read reviews that people are talking about Leeyalan smartwatch. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Bluetooth 5.3 call and high compatibility. The smartwatch compatible for iPhone, Android, Samsung. A built-in microphone and HD speaker, allowing you to answer calls and interact with voice assistants directly from smartwatch, so you can stay connected even during fitness, outdoor sports or other activities. 24/7 health monitor. The activity fitness tracker is equipped with a high-precision sensor for powerful monitor heart rate, blood oxygen saturation and sleep 24 hours a day. In addition, this smartwatches for women also has a menstrual cycle recording function designed for women. 110 plus sports modes. This fitness watch supports more than 110 sports modes: running, cycling, hiking, skipping, dancing, yoga, skiing and more. Event, time measurement of real-time steps, distance, calories. Heart rate and blood oxygen exercise can help you adjust the intensity of training to achieve the best results. 250 plus customizable watch faces. You can also choose from more than 250 online watch faces in the Fit Cloud Pro app or upload photos what you like in your phone as smartwatch backgrounds. IP68 waterproof rating, so no need to worry when you wear it while rain or sweating and doing the dishes out. However, it is not recommended for use in hot water or seawater. 1.91-inch HD screen. The smartwatches for men/women features a 1.91-inch screen, bringing a thin and delicate experience. Manually adjust the brightness so that you can clearly view the displayed time and exercise data even in direct sunlight. 30-day standby time. The Leeyalan men/women smartwatch is equipped with a high-performance Seiko battery. Equipped with a fast magnetic charging system, ensures 5 to 7 days of worry-free use, 30 days of standby, and ultra-long standby without frequent charging. AI voice assistant and music player. Speaking to an AI voice assistant can help you quickly open voice navigation, such as broadcasting the weather forecast, making calls, setting alarms and more. The watch is not only able to control music on a smartphone but also play music on the watch itself. Message notification. The men's smartwatch can receive notifications from apps such as including Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, X, SMS, and more. Just raise your wrist to view messages. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.